In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe on Substack. Whether you're a fan of newsletters, interested in niche content, or simply want to stay informed, Substack offers a treasure trove of publications tailored to your interests. Let's walk through the straightforward process to get you subscribed and connected to the content you love. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Substack platform. You can either browse through their wide array of offerings, or if you already have a specific publication in mind, simply search for it directly. This could be anything from a riveting newsletter to a publication by your favorite writer. Substack's search functionality is designed to make finding your desired content easy and efficient. Once you've located the publication that piques your interest, keep an eye out for the subscribe button. It's usually prominently displayed on the publication's homepage, so you won't have to look too hard to find it. Sometimes this button can also be found within the newsletter itself. Clicking this button is your gateway to becoming part of that publication's community. After clicking subscribe, you'll typically be prompted to enter your email address. This step is essential because it not only confirms your interest in receiving updates, but also enables you to get the newsletters delivered right to your inbox. Be sure to use an email account that you check regularly so you don't miss out on any future content. If the publication you're interested in offers premium content, you might have the option to upgrade to a paid subscription. This is often the case for exclusive insights, detailed reports, or content with higher value. In such instances, you might be asked to enter your payment details. Substack ensures that this process is secure, so you can rest easy knowing your information is protected. Finally, to complete your subscription journey, you'll usually receive a confirmation email. It's a simple final step to verify your subscription, and it's always a good chance to double check that all your details are correct. Be sure to click on any links in the email to finalize the process and confirm your subscription. Voila, you're now officially subscribed. Subscribing on Substack is designed to be an intuitive and seamless experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, enjoying the content. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. So go ahead, dive into the world of unique and personalized content with Substack. Happy reading, and we'll see you in the next video.